Hey everybody, welcome to the Your Life Blueprint Sound Vibrations. I've been waiting for you. I've also been waiting for you to share these videos. Please share them. Like them, love them. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Contribute if you can. Today's Monday and a big hello out there to all my devotional bhakti people. My good friend Param Joe Roslin is a devotional spiritual being, as well as my good friend Felicity, Moon Goddess. Hello. Hello to all the other people who have the devotional personality in their spiritual area. And hello to everybody in general anyway. I don't want to leave anybody out. Yes, it's devotional day, heart day, story day I like to call it, because stories open the heart. It's lullaby day too. Play some lullabies. Sing a lullaby to yourself. Put on something white. Burn some sandalwood incense. Get in touch with the moon today. And listen to this story. Mullah Nasruddin decided to start a flower garden. He prepared the soil and planted the seeds of many beautiful flowers. But when they came up, his garden was filled not just with his chosen flowers, but also overrun by dandelions. He sought out advice from gardeners all over and tried every method known to get rid of them, but to no avail. Finally, he walked all the way to the capital to speak to the royal gardener at the Sheikh's palace. The wise old man had counseled many gardeners before and suggested a variety of remedies to expel the dandelions. But Mullah Nasruddin had tried them all already. They sat together in silence for some time. And finally, the gardener looked at Nasruddin and said, "Well, then I suggest you learn to love them." Now there's a heart-opening story for you. Today, I connect with the devotional vibration in my blueprint. Today, I connect with the devotional vibration in my blueprint. Om Cham Chandraya Namaha. Om Cham Chandraya Namaha.